Welcome guys to my new video. My technician, check this out. One of my technicians sent this phone to me. According to him, he told me that the phone is not powering. This is iPhone X. The phone is not powering because of shorts. There's a short on the main board and there's a short on the subboard. For the main board, I've already solved the issue. For the subboard, there is a short. Check this out. The technician was the one that separated the board. According to him, he told me that he gave it to some technicians to try their best. They all tried their best to find the short, to fix it, but all proved abortive. He sent the phone to me here for repair. The first thing, I checked for physical damage. Check this out, and there's no physical damage. Everything looks fine. The next thing is for me to use my multimeter and start testing. I first of all check the main VDD power rail. Check this out. I check and I discover short. Here we have a short. You can see that we have a short. Check this out. I zoom for you guys to see the particular capacitor. We have a short, but the short may not be from this capacitor. The short may be from somewhere else, but that particular VDD main line is shorting, meaning that is where the problem is. As a phone technician, you need to know power rail. You need to know VPH power. You need to know how power flow on the PCB so that if it's shorting, you will know what to do. Okay? If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. I tried to inject power. Check this out, my dear technician. And the capacitor start heating up and you saw the spark. So the next thing is for me to remove the capacitor, because no other capacitor was reacting exception of this one. Check this out, my dear technician. The first thing, I have to get this capacitor removed because the capacitor was heating up when I was injecting voltage and no other capacitor was reacting. Check this out, my dear technician. I apply heat. Make sure you use normal temperature. If you overheat, it will spoil other component. Make sure you use normal temperature. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. I take my time to do this because I really want this phone to work. For my technician, I will be done. Please make sure you take your time to do this. You can see that I'm taking my time to do this. Please do not rush. So finally, I've successfully removed the capacitor. Check this out. Very clean. You have to be very careful. Do not rush. So this is the capacitor. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to read and confirm if the power rail is still shorting. I mean the VDD main is still shorting to the ground. Check this out. I check, you can see that it's still shorting. And I check another capacitor that is connected. You can see that we still have a short. So we have to inject voltage in this capacitor. Check this out. You can see we have smoke coming out, meaning the capacitor itself is not working. We have smoke coming out from the capacitor, and from the look, the capacitor is not working because there's a physical damage inside the capacitor if you check very well. So decided to check another capacitor that is connected to the power rail, and when I connect it, I notice heat somewhere. For us to know the exactly component that is faulty, since this area is heating up when I connect power to the capacitor, so we have to apply rosin flux. As you can see, I'm applying rosin flux right now, and I will inject voltage to the third capacitor. Check this out. You can see that this capacitor is the problem. You can see that this capacitor is reacting. Check this out. My dear technician, I apply another flux. I want you guys to see it very clear. Check this out. Let me connect for you guys to see. I have to take my time to do it. I want you guys to see live proof that this small capacitor right here is the problem of this phone. You can see very clear that the small capacitor is the problem of this phone. So now in total, we have 3 capacitors. That is a problem. 3 capacitors is the problem of this phone. So have to remove them and get them replaced. So the next thing is for me to desolder this. I'm done with replacing the capacitor. Everything I check and is 100% working. So the next thing is for me to desolder the balls, the old balls. Have to desolder it. Have to just take my time to do it so that I can join the board together. If you have questions, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, I will not be able to show you everything. If you want to learn phone repair, come to my physical class and learn. Or you send a message on WhatsApp, let's talk, okay? I will not be able to show you everything I work on. I will just show you some part of it. Can't expose all my work. If you want to learn, feel free, send a message and I will talk with you, okay? Before I fix this phone, have in mind that there are some tools I use. I also use schematics. I use other things which have not shown you guys here on this video. So just know about it. So if you're not a professional, I don't advise you to try this. Only if you're a professional, you know the process, everything, okay? Before you try this. When you're desoldering, you have to be very, very careful. So make sure that you desolder the main board. As you can see, I'm taking my time to do this. Be very, very careful. Please be very, very careful. My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Make sure you take your time to do it. Desolder it very, very well. Don't rush. One thing about phone work that a lot of people don't know is rushing. Don't rush, please. Just take your time to do it so that your work will work well. Check this out. I love this. Very clean. Hey, my dear technician, I love this. I love this work. Check this out. Just take your time to do it, okay? Don't rush. Please, when you're desoldering, don't forcefully bend the PCB, please. Just be very careful, okay? Take your time to do this. Be very careful. So guys, I'm done and I cleaned both the 2 PCB. You can see they are very, very neat. So the next thing is for me to join the board together. But before I join, I have to apply paste. You can see. Make sure you set your stencil very well. Apply your paste. Take your time to do it. Don't rush, okay? Don't rush. Just take your time to do it. If you have questions, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out. Feel it very well. Oh, very important. Feel it very, very well. Check this out. After that, you clean it. You can see that I'm cleaning my own. Make sure you clean your own. Clean it very well. Check this out. So the next thing is for you to remove it. After removing, make sure you check your work. If it's not nice, you have to correct yourself. You have to check where you make mistake and correct it. Okay. Check this out. You can see my own. You can see very clean. My definition very clean. I love this. I love this. So the next thing is for me to heat up with my blower so that I can form the balls. And let's join the board together. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. You can see that the balls are forming. Check this out. The balls are forming. I love this. My dear technician, check this out. The balls are forming. 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 My dear technician, the next thing is for us to apply flux. Please make sure you use a good flux. Please use a good flux. Use a good flux. So it's important. Use a good flux. Check this out. You can see my work very clean. Make sure not even one single ball fall inside the PCB. I'm sure you understand. Professional will understand. Okay. So let's join the board together so that we can turn on the phone and everything works like magic, guys. Works like magic. Check this out. If you have question, feel free. Like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. So the next thing is for us to heat up. My detonation, I'm using my blower. As you can see, I'm not using preheater. If you have preheater, feel free to use it. But for me, I'm using blower for this. I have preheater, but I just decided to use my blower for this. It works like magic. Check this out. Very clean. Just make sure that you control the temperature. If you want to use blower like this, make sure that you control the temperature. Okay, make sure that you're pro in temperature control. If not, you're going to, I don't want to say it, but I'm sure you know. So check this out. I will be done. My technician, I'm done. So here is a PCB after I joined the two board together. The next thing is for me to test it for you guys to see. You can see I've already put the PCB right inside here, and you can see, let me turn on the phone for you guys to see. Check this out. It's working 100%. Let me turn on, guys, for you guys to see. Let me turn on. Wow, check this out. My detonation is booting. It's booting very, very well. It's booting. No more shorting. No more shorting. It's working. It's working. It's working. Network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything works like magic. Check this out, my technician. Check this out. If you have a phone that you want to recover data, the phone is not booting, is hanging on boot, it's only showing Apple logo, whatsoever it is, send the phone to us. We are going to fix it for you. The phone is back to life. Okay, check this out. The only problem right now is the touch is not touching, which is from the screen. The technician told me already that the screen fell down and it's not responding. So for the screen, they will change it. Okay, I'll send it to him. My right technician, I'm done with the repair. Check this out. So this is the iPhone X that I was working. So it's back to life. You can see it's working. I've joined the two board together. It's turning on. Everything is working. Let me plug charger for you guys to see that is working. Check this out. It's charging. Everything is working perfectly. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. If you want to recover your data, your phone is not turning on, it's shorting, is this or that, send it to us. Just wave the phone to us. We are going to fix it. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section, and see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.